Hey everyone, Brett Gurney here with BrettGurney.com. We absolutely love the network marketing industry, all aspects of it. You know the difference between affiliate marketing and network marketing. Some of the basic differences. Affiliate marketing really is more for people who like to do things on the internet. Network or multi-level marketing is more about person to person and a lot of offline marketing and stuff like that. The goal of all your marketing efforts is to get your prospects to give you their contact information. Affiliate program owners are great at this, and it's all done online. One of the main benefits of affiliate marketing, most of the work is done for you. All you have to do is drive traffic. It's more of a system. You generate traffic, you drive the traffic to the website, you get your people to opt in, and then the system takes over. Perfect for the beginner. You'll really only need to learn one thing, and that is how to drive traffic to the website. Getting people to opt into your system and then let the system go to work. That way you're not overwhelming yourself trying to learn this, trying to learn that. I mean, I'm guilty of that too. This is how I teach myself. This is how I get this information planted into my brain so that it sticks. I write it, then I video on it. Then I take action. Network marketing or multi-level marketing companies are a little bit different. They're not affiliate marketers. In the beginning especially, there's usually not a system. A lot of times affiliates that are good at that, they'll provide team systems, team sites, and that you can plug in and all that stuff. As far as the companies goes, they don't do a lot of that. They don't set up good online systems with all that sophisticated tracking and coding like affiliate marketers do. Most of network marketing done face-to-face. A lot of it's done offline. Okay, this is why much of their marketing training is focused on older methods, approaching your warm market, making lists of 100 people that you've known since you were 10 minutes old, right? The 3-foot rule, in other words, everybody that gets within 3 feet of you hears about your business. Develop an elevator speech or a 1-minute speech, scripts of what to say to people and all that stuff. So obviously that's a little bit different, but if you're someone that wants to learn internet marketing, use the internet to generate leads, maybe even eventually creating your own products, which is something that is good to do if that's what you like to do and if that's what you find that you're good at, then affiliate marketing, very well may be the best thing for you. I love both. That just gives you a little bit of an idea of the differences between affiliate marketing, which is more for those who want to do stuff on the internet, as opposed to a network marketing company, which is more kind of an old school, mouth-to-mouth, face-to-face, a lot more offline stuff, more market, talking to people and things like that. Hope that made sense to you. Appreciate you watching the video. So thanks again, everyone, and have a great day.